Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Our conversation we say NPP for any His Excellency President Akufo-Addo any Vice President Munyina Didi Sebe. So it reminds me of a NDC for. Well, I take it back. I think I could have used a better word. Say, frankly, Minka said President and Vice President ADD because they are doing their best, although their best is not good enough.
You see, and the first topic.
Oh, Titi.
All the words you use. You see, nobody is more Ghanaian than Odio.
Yeah.
You see, use your words.
Yeah.
When you are using words, it's when you're using words from Babin. I didn't say anything.
Relax.
Use your words. And then you saw too.
I could have said it better. And let me go for it.
Then go back and retract.
Let me go for it. See, I'll say, sometimes in the heat of the moment, no cancer, and I would drop words. You cry 3 years, baby, say President Akufo-Addo, Empire and Court, and send me an ekikan. Sabi say ananka, on a lawyer, ni man to chini, but or the teacher chain. And I say, but na me can't vat in WhatsApp. Let me make my point. Let me make my point. No. After you can have a minute afterwards. That will make us send you not for a minute. Make us send you not for a minute. Make us send you. Make him ask him. No, Master make him. And what I'm saying is that what is happening reminds me of the efforts by President Akufo-Addo and his people against the VAT. Tamana a honorable Ekospu Gabriel a pushino. About the American say, excuse na NPP for Ede Magana for say Omodi Ejai toll booth no. Please. What do you say? We are government. Now so one person here toll booth. It's all well and good. But don't belittle our intelligence. Traffic mama. Since when did the NPP become so concerned about traffic situations for we the proletarians? And I said, yes, Samponi, main road, no one grader, Abejuswa in Futuro, Queen and Debbie and Brian Dembe. Into Munya, some no more cano. But more to the point, no, but the American say, Oko US, ne Canada border, US, ne Mexico border, toll booth, ewo. Now, the most important thing I expect for this toll booth situation, and it's saying, Vice President Baumia, His Excellency, digitization, because all they needed to do, they say, me and you may be we can say, toll booth, and now, and come find the ways, whether through DVLA, AMOBH, and accessor. So, by me, the American say, MEP say, abolish toll booth. Because the culture of paying tolls, it takes a while for any people to develop. It's in Kenya, I say, I'm quite sure it meets to Escano. So, Nanka was here to now, me say, a new patriotic party for SCK, a free 72 million a month. It says, a peanut money. And Nana Akufo-Addo in a party. Almost 72 million cedis. Bosome, a peanut money. And almost did that aeroplane. Any president of Ghana that knows how to enjoy Ghana money the way President Akufo-Addo is enjoying Ghana money. It's a fair on any party, almost 72 million. 72 billion old money. If you say no matter how small the NPP now thinks 72 million cedis is, a little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. But to the substantive issue, say, E-Levy. No. Let me talk to you about the E-Levy. So, I'm talking about the, Momo tax. No. So, that Momo na ye kan ho asem no. Eshashie wo East Africa, Kenya and Tanzania. Now, one professor, but Kenya for, you could say Kenya or, Tanzania area, East Africa is the birthplace of a mobile money. No more friend M-Pesa. So na penyin ba ko anu oda anu a o ma M-Pesa itimi gina ye park esia ekwo East Africa. And I mean East Africa. I'm talking all the way from Sudan, Uganda, Tanzania, Kenya, omunyina benefit. Na sa penyin anu oda anu the former governor of the Central Bank of Tanzania. Nidindi Professor Benno Ndlo, Ndulu. Professor Benno Ndlo. Maybe Obekan Ndulo, but I would say Ndlo. Daniel Kano, former governor, Central Bank of Tanzania. So, Nancy, Central Bank of Tanzania, a former Professor Ndlo. So, Emma speech be Kampala, Uganda. Now he discussed, Momo. Because I'm gonna hear Momo no first. And I know what I say. And you mean about I think I was saying me kaka ho say nam say Tanzania and East Africa. Starting Momo no first no. And Professor Ndlo eda no nti. And ye nyina wa Africa no. Nti komo me di me person ka me di East Africa situation no. Benchmark na ye tutu ye ho because we are around the same area in Africa. Nti Professor Ndlo kasa no ka say enipa inclusion so Momo no ama omu use financial services no. About 80% of the population. However, 22% enyam peke sa habit no. The population no it the East Africa dey near benchmark. It's 22% of population no enyam peke Momo no. So it is now on top of that no 80% na ebi o magi phone or ma register Momo no. So we check here more utilization rate no very very low. Meka utilization rate one more that use Momo no very very low. Minya nanka mabusa MTN for say enipa saying and a war Momo and enipa saying and on average every month use Momo and anka abe who say enipa ka clear bi na actually sika de fa Momo so and you know so sa so enti Professor Ndlo kasa no and our the third point our kind say taxation of Momo money no. It does not discriminate across ability to pay. So, tax no, say ye de jijia, ye say bia, Vice President Bawumia, or ye adwuma, Bank of Ghana, or G pension kutu. Say ye Vice President no, if you are timony $3.5 million, Vice President's residence, and this if only see no complaining, or te ho. Say, Waji pay. Kutu aeroplane na dwari wi a o na dwari mu o yan kasa ne o ma we nyina o so ho enti se ye kasa Professor Vice President Bawumia oda Land Cruiser peche mu a wo ba police fuo di nanim a traffic na ye ka no no kwa wonim bi o so ho oba peche sa no so ho wono no so o send Momo akoma ebia ni nua ba bia enti se Soprano na wiame ba ha midi konkonte 2 cities yemuade 2 cities amedi abet na hetia tiamu ye 2 different Ghanaians. He is in the highfalutin bourgeoisie class and I mean no veranda boy class. And you cannot say Vice President na oji pension oji sika bebre or Bank of Ghana ye Vice President oba motorcade di nanim oda bongolo ma ye tuaka house boy ye tuaka garden boy ye tuaka kuku Yetiaka laundryman, Yetiaka one top petrol, one tia daika, one tia light bill, Vice President Bawumia, one tia no. Now no sendi Momo, Sika woji no. Na me kwadi konkonte 2 cities, yemuade 2 cities ewie, na je se mo pa che se mo register 4 cities no to Sika, Momo na me di tia ye no. Are you serious? Enti ye pese aka kire omo se omu nyai sa. So ati ase. In any case, meaning about tax no. Normally tax no. The age tax no enye se bia wo no ekom di wo na me bro 20 cedis no magi sika no tax no is collected on value created ati enti se bia wo no ton ade e bia wo ton mpaboa e wo ton na ton na che me tie sika ba wo ho no mu a eno no a business transaction. There is value created. Ukoton mpaboa no Hong Kong because mpaboa yenye bi kroma so ati ase hentu ukoton mpaboa no Hong Kong ebi a woto on 10 cedis and I would buy and wabeton on 20 cedis enti what creative value when you sika bi ti sa 10 cedis profit no and a year tax it's a wo follow value addition tax na bo say wo be nyina na tax ba enti me help vice president yes they don't tax the capital. That's my point. Yes. What you say enti say si ano oba bronya na me wo plan say nka wo say no me bro 200 cedis so ati ase ba enya maso. Go and blame Nana Akufo-Addo and his party. What I say because you're more here. No mean to me from Sika yes because but tete.
No ban out there, but you will not transfer it.
The Biscanan can be in Muma and I'm keep record.
No. So long as I
No make keep record. I mean wrap up make Kenya and say yeah per se. Okay, Matty, I'm just saying say in wrapping up no. I think say I don't know what can be Tiana Namwa or to papas you na Kufuado in the government. Or more, in their continued fumbling and tumbling, no. Occasionally, what me Yakupo Shirawomo. Into budget no the buy no. A nugget, gold, fear bishim, and no, any dear Minister of Finance, no, I can't say, Enka on it. No, Manusha on it.
Because I come in 3 minutes, less than 2 minutes.
Okay, I also Obeji Sika, on the MMDAs, and district assemblies, and any municipalities, and Becca boom. No Majiji Sika for property tax, and no more here, a Sika phone is dying. A Sika phone is.
Utie oha exi punk no. Needs FM.